I'm welcoming my YouTube family to my episode number 39. Before starting today's display of cotton sarees, want to share that episode number 37 was also of cotton sarees. Those 21 sarees were sold within 5 to 6 pm of that Friday only. Most of my friends were not even been able to watch the video by that time, so they became very disappointed and asked me to display that kind again. Today's episode is mainly for them. Please enjoy it. I am starting with white saree only, like last time, 37th episode, and here it is weaved one, means it is jamdani type. I am not the heavy one. Where is and this applique has been done on it. The motif of the pallu, I am showing it later. That applique has been done, border throughout the border. This is the pallu. That is the weaved one, and this is the blouse with it. Price is 2950. Pure Bengal cotton. This kind two sarees I had shown before. Here also I have two. This is for the blouse, number 1 blouse. Few sarees has 2 blouse pieces, that I will mention where it is. Where I will not mention, there, that means it is a single blouse. This is the pallu. Throughout the border and the pallu, the patches are with kantha stitch and same kantha stitch blouse piece. Price is 2550. Second one also the same type, only the patches will be different. Work means motifs are different. Work is kantha stitch or, and the arrangement of the pallu will be little different. This is the pallu and this is the blouse piece. Same priced 2550. Again this kind of kesh cotton I had shown few there, few are here. This is for the blouse piece with a border. By now many of you know the how it is. Throughout the border is there. The color of the border and the blouse piece will be same, means the contrast color of the thread color, it is contrast of the sari, not the thread. And this is a pallu. $2950. Red is the blouse piece. Beautiful combination. On grey, red, yellow, off-white, black. Same priced 2950. Same concept, same material, same price, but each one is different. This is the blouse piece. It is golden yellow, and for the pleats it has stripe. Green has been whipped with yellow, so greenish color you are getting. You are on that the green thread has been used, red also. All are Kesh cotton, all are handloom, very comfortable soft material. This is the blouse piece. In some pieces the blouse are not attached properly, that is why little difficulty I am facing. Red and border is of golden yellow. Blouse also will be of the same color. This is the pallu. These are, I have mentioned earlier also, these are hassle free, means no starch is required, but if you want to starch it, if you like the stiff texture, the red is the blouse piece, sorry, red is the blouse piece and this is the border to be used for the blouse. So it is starchable also if you want the stiff texture, not the like the mercerized cotton where you cannot put the starch. These are pure cotton. Beautiful color. Last time this color one saree was at least 15 to 20 requests were there that they need this saree, but each saree is single piece, so I am helpless. This is a blouse piece. This is some maroon and golden yellow, touch of green, very nice combination. 2950. Last one is of white, yellow, pink, sorry. This is for the blouse piece. Pink is the base and white stripe in the pleats. and the pallu like this. These are the hand worked. Now it is the hand painted on cotton. This is the blouse piece, half and half, orange and green. Nice green it is. Last time also I had shown you one chutney green type thing. It is also chutney green. Yeah, like this. And leaf motifs. This sarees has its own appeal. 1950 only. Now few off-white with combined with different colors, mostly are florals. One is different, mostly are florals. And with it, this is a blouse piece. This is a pallu and blouse piece with the stripe with gold, means golden color, not gold. It is, the blouse is blue, so that means blue flower definitely are there. Price is same, 1950. Yeah. This is a pallu and this will be the blouse piece. Same priced, 1950. Orange flowers, so orange blouse piece should be. This is a pallu and this is the blouse piece. These all are pure cotton. Nice painting it is, very pretty. Little different from others and very nice. Beautiful flower. This is a pallu and the blouse is green. It is not floral. It is Victoria Memorial of Kolkata. The statue of lion is highlighted here like this, and this is the blouse piece, contrast one. This is the pallu. $2050. These all are pure cotton. This is for the blouse, black blouse. Throughout it is this magenta color, deep magenta. And the pallu is black. These are cotton silk type, and these are not pure cotton, so when you will iron it, please do it little carefully. Put some soft cotton or malmal over it. After that you iron that. The price is 3550. This is the blouse piece. Beautiful color. I love these sarees for the colors. The combinations and color, oh, mind blowing it is. This is a pallu. This is a whole saree. This with this maroon color, beautiful one. 3550. Green and blue. Another very bright, vibrant combination. $3550. Here it is half and half, orange and pink. Not very common, but very nice, very different, catchy. This is a pallu. $3550. This is the blouse piece. Very beautiful combination. black, red, grey, best possible combination. This is the pallu. $3550. Last three sarees are linen hand painted. This is the blouse piece. Linen colors are very different, very soft, beautiful one. And the blouse, this pallu is absolutely contrast. I think it is looking very nice. Price is 3950. Yeah, 3950. It is beige color or light brown and red. Red and beige has been weaved, that is why that pale red has come. $3950. The last saree of today's show, white and yellow lemon. This is the blouse piece. And the border is with silver zari. In the previous one it was golden zari. I forgot to mention, but I think you have seen it. Yeah, this saree I like so much. It is very close to my heart, this saree. Display is over. Again, just one reminder that all the sarees are single piece and not recreatable. So if you like something, please take the decision first. Namaskar.